As the pandemic continues to disrupt big sectors of the Rwandan economy, banks are trying to figure out how they will be able to withstand the impact of the pandemic in the near future and help their clients deal with economic challenges that come with the pandemic. Currently, different banks across Rwanda have developed approaches to support the economy by slashing interest rates and easing repayment conditions. George Odhiambo, the managing director of KCP Bank Rwanda, explains some of the measures the bank has come up with to guard against financial distresses caused by the pandemic.
Given that our customers are also affected, just like we are, the implication is that the cash flows are interrupted and the obligations for these customers to fulfill their contractual needs is disrupted as well. So in the field of SME and corporate, we've received requests, and we are happy that the government, through the central bank, has also worked with Bankers Association. We've agreed on some top-level measures on how to handle those customers not able to pay back in time their loans. And for that matter, we are restructuring quite a number in terms of principal repayment and interest repayment.
People who have loans, of course, they are affected, but from the central bank, these businesses which have been highly affected, I think KCB, including these all commercial banks, they are doing restructure.
At the Bank of Kigali, the bosses say that the bank still has a strong foothold despite trade being unstable. All platforms under the Bank of Kigali are still operating and making transactions on a regular basis.
So we are trying to put in place a number of measures that will help us really to boost our liquidity and then avoid really being in a position where we can't provide loans. But obviously, we'll be affected. So all banks need to be ready. We don't know when this pandemic will ease. So we need to be ready. We need to bring in some packages to be able to continue doing business and funding the economy.
The Bank of Kigali also has created a credit program called Turikumwe Special Loan that gives its clients a 3-month grace period at an affordable interest rate of 15.5% per annum. The bank says it will be making business through these interest payments through this program. Diana Iriza, Kigali, Rwanda.